Hey everyone, so welcome back to my channel Intelligent Learners. In this video, we are going to discuss about the equation of circle, their proofs, how the equation of circle comes into our lives, and also we are going to discuss how we will deal with the questions that are related to the equation of circle. Either we have to work out for the equation of circle, or with the help of the equation of circle, we have to find out the center or the radius, right? So let's start with this video, everyone. Equation of a circle. Whenever we are talking about the equation of circle, you have seen the standard form, which is this one only. That is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square. How this equations comes into our life, that we have to see here. Basically the proof. Now, with related to this also, we have one more equation of circle, which is x square plus y square is equals to r square. So h and k is missing here. So what is that thing? So two things that we have to remember here. One thing, equation of a circle where the center is at the origin. So the coordinate is 0, 0. And the equation of a circle where the center is some point, not at the origin. So let's say that center is h, k. So we got two equations. One is this one. And for this, I already told you that is x square plus y square is equals to r square. Now let's have a discussion about this, how this happens, right? So for that, let me draw two things. Okay, so this is one line I'm making, the differentiation. So I am just making the xy plane. So this is my y-axis, this is my x-axis, this is my y-axis, and this is my x-axis, right? Now, x and y. Now here the circle is passing through the center and the center is at the origin. So this is my center. Okay. Here is my center. But here there is a circle which is not passing through the center, which is not passing through the origin. So somewhere the center is, let's say here. So here I am taking, here the center is at the origin. So the coordinate for the center O is 0, 0, right? And I'm taking some point A whose coordinates are x, y. And the point is on the circumference of the circle. Similarly, I am taking a center of this circle is not at the origin. So it is somewhere at point, it is in the first quadrant. So h, k I am taking. And again, I am taking some point on the circumference, which is point A. Center I am taking as O only. And the coordinate for this is x, y, right? Now, please remember one thing here. It's very, very important to see. I'm just drawing a triangle. So this is my triangle. Okay, this is my perpendicular. AB is my perpendicular. So basically, it's a right angle triangle. If you will see, if the center is at the origin, if I'm talking about the point B, B point is on the x-axis. And when the point is on the x-axis, the coordinate is something, 0. And this value is, I don't know what is the point of B. It could be 3, it could be 4, 5, 6, could be anything. But I don't know. So I'm taking that this distance as x minus 0 as x only, right? For this, I am taking again x because for this point, the distance from the y-axis is exactly the same. So this distance same. So x again. And this distance I am taking as y because I don't know this point. Correct? So this is, let's say, y, and y minus 0 is y. Now, if I will talk about the coordinate of this one. So I am drawing a perpendicular like this, 90 degree. I am taking this point. Now, this point is not on the x-axis. I'm talking about B. So the distance of this, if I'm taking as x, so here it is also x only. But y, I'm talking about y. So what is y here? Whatever is y here in this point, that's the same y. That is x, k here I have. Please remember one thing. If I'm drawing the xy plane, if 1, 2, 3, this is 1, 2, 3, and I'm talking about this point and this point is 1, 3, and this point is 3, 3. So the y point, the ordinate is same. So that's why I've taken as x, y, x, k for point P. Now just everything is very same. I just have to apply the Pythagoras theorem in both the triangles. So in triangle OAB, OA square is equals to OB square plus AB square. OA is what? Circle, line from the center till the circumference is the radius only. So OA is R. What is OB? We can apply the distance formula in OB, that is square root of, what is the distance formula? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So x2 is what? X, and x1 is 0. So x minus 0 is x. So it is x square plus here y2 is 0 and y1 is also 0. So you are nothing with 0. So it's x square root, which is x only. Similarly, if I will talk about AB, so I have x minus x, x2 minus x1, which is x minus x0, and y minus 0 is y, so I'm taking y square, right? So this is my equation of a circle whose center is at the origin. But if I will apply the Pythagoras theorem here in triangle OAB, so OA square is equals to OB square plus AB square. This is my R square only. What is OB? If I will apply the distance formula, so square root of x minus x minus h whole square plus k minus k whole square, which is 0 only. So I have x minus h. So OB will be x minus h and there is a square. So square plus AB. If you will apply the distance formula here, so x minus x will give you 0 and y minus k I should have, and there is a square. So this is my equation of a circle for the center for a circle whose center is not at the origin. The center is something h comma k. So for that, the equation of a circle is x minus h plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square, right? So these are the two equations of a circle. One is passing through the origin and one is passing through some center h comma k, right? So that's the proof. So thank you everyone.